How to check unknown caller on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever received a call from an unknown number and wondered who is it, then you're at the right place. So let's dive in. First, open your phone app. You'll notice that it says no caller ID or unknown on numbers that you have not saved. So tapping on it doesn't give any details. So just go on App Store and then search for Truecaller. Then what you have to do is install it. While it is getting installed, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our contents. You open your app and you'll see an interface like this. What you can do is copy the number that you want to know and then paste it on the search bar. After you've pasted on the search bar, since you don't have a paid app, you'll have to watch an ad. And after the ad is loaded, then it will show you the name of the unknown caller. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.